Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to look at another watch from the fine folks at Lenqin. We got another watch here to open up. I did a video on their other watch, also from, Lenqin, and was disappointed. So, my expectations are low. They're already low, but now they're on the ground right now. Let's see if this one's any better. This one was also $9.99. So I have a feeling we're going to run into more tomfoolery, as I like to call it. Let's take a look. Anything else in there? Oh, is that a watch tool? Oh, it is. It's a screwdriver. Okay, jingly jangly. First of all, very thin. Obviously quartz. Now, if you remember from the other video of the Lenqin brand, this chronograph is not a real chronograph. Does this dial turn? That's my first thought. I'm going to go ahead and say it does not. It doesn't even look like it turns. It looks very thin. Okay, it doesn't turn. 4.5 out of 5 stars on Amazon. How? All right, let's go ahead and open it up. Let's get the saran wrap off, as all these cheap Chinese garbage watches have. Bruh. I still don't know why they wrap these in so much saran wrap. I don't. Turtles choke on this in the ocean. Not really. But still, it's just like... First of all, let me get this off my wrist. Okay, it's not comfortable. I've been wearing it for 5 minutes. Just to start the video. Let me get this garbage off, okay? I probably broke it throwing it. Let's see. Anyway, let's... It says stainless steel on this clasp. What is this clasp, by the way? What is this? What are we doing? Why did we choose the very cheap life? This is the same clasp that's on like the A168 Casio. And the A158, I guess. But like... Alright, let me get the plastic off. I'll be right back. Okay, a decade later, I've got the plastic off. Let's go ahead and size this heap of garbage. Here, let me aim down so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, we'll go like right there. I don't understand why they use this mechanism on this. Actually, you know what I do? Because it's $10. That's why. This is probably the cheapest they can get away with. I can imagine the ROI on these watches is probably not very high to begin with. Oh, jangly. Oh, jingle bells, Merry Christmas, right? That is quality. Not really, obviously. Let me go ahead and pull the plastic out here so I can at least make it tick, since it won't do much anything else. And then we're going to set the time. And then we're going to set the date, and then the time, I should say. All right, getting the date function is proven to be something. Today's the 21st, so it's got a Mercedes hand just like Rolexes do. The build quality is definitely not Rolex, not even remotely. It is what time is it? 7:56. Might as well be 8 o'clock. It is ticking. I'll give it that. It's definitely ticking. Okay, it's on. It's not on tight enough, but it's on. Yeah. That's a heap. Not good. Not good. Not good. I have an alternative. I know money can be tight. I'm not trying to shame anybody on what they can and can't afford. Believe me, I'm not rich by any means. But you do have options. This thing was $9.99. I can't get it off my wrist. Does anybody else get claustrophobic when you can't get something off your fingers or your wrist? Because now I feel like I'm trapped. I don't know. I can't get it off. Oh, I don't like this. This is the worst band ever. I need a third hand so I can get off. Oh, you are going back to Amazon. You and your brother. The one I threw over there. Brother, get the heck off my wrist. I feel trapped. I can't get it off. I hate this stupid band. Hate it. Hate it, hate it, hate it. I can't get it off. Out of context, it sounds wrong. Okay. I wish my cat had thumbs. He could help me. Alright, I'll deal with that in a second. So, again, you want to save some money. You want a diver looking watch. You want a watch that looks, at least somewhat nice. Don't go for this. This is $10. Spend $40 more. Spend $50 total. Get yourself an Addy's dive. Okay? I reviewed this watch the other day. It's a great watch. It's light years in quality compared to this thing. Yes, I'll link this below. I'll link this below if you absolutely want it. But as you can see, I can't get it off. So, I'm heeding warning, I guess. Whatever the saying is. Heed my advice, don't buy this. This is what I'm trying to say, okay? Get this. I'll link this below. And, at least this is a quality watch. Maybe Chinese, but it's still very, very quality, so. I just made an eBay sale. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and go cut my wrist off so I can get this watch off. And I'll see you on the next video. Take care, everybody. I'm trapped. I can't. It won't come off. I'm a little freak. I'm just a little freaked at the moment. It's fine. All right. Take care.